Now, the woman at the centre of a mass rape trial whose ordeal has shocked the world has spoken in court. She said she cannot comprehend how her husband, Dominique, destroyed her life. For almost a decade, he crushed sleeping pills and other anti-anxiety drugs into her food and drink and allegedly recruited men online to rape her. Our Europe correspondent, Siobhan Robbins, joined us now from outside the court in Avignon. Siobhan, tell us more about what the court has heard.
Well, another highly distressing day in this mass rape trial, which has caught the attention of people across France and brought them out onto the streets. And the woman at the centre of that, Gisele Pelicot, today addressed the court. And first of all, she spoke directly to her husband, Dominique Pelicot, who has admitted drugging and raping her, and then allegedly recruiting men online to do the same over a period of nearly 10 years. And she said that she thought that he was the perfect man, that they'd been married for 50 years, that she used to ask him for her favourite ice cream and that he'd bring it to her. And she told the court that Dominique made lots of meals because I was looking after the grandkids and I never thought he could do this. Now, she was explaining how potentially the drugs got into the food, and she said one night when I finished a meal I went to the bedroom and then to the bathroom and he gave me ice cream in bed. She said it was her favourite flavour, and she went on to describe how often she'd wake up in the morning feeling tired but had no idea that actually what was happening was that when she'd fallen asleep because of the drugs, he was raping her or had invited other men to do the same. Now, as well as Dominique Pelicot, who, as I said, has admitted the crimes that he's accused of, 50 other men are also on trial. A very small percentage of them have said that they are guilty. They've said that they didn't know that it was rape, but they have apologised. Some of the others have said that they actually deny committing rape, saying that they thought this was a consensual game they were being invited into by the couple. Now, asked by the lawyers today at what point this was rape, she said rape is rape, going on to explain that she was unconscious. And she also said that the men, when they apologised, weren't apologising to her, that they were apologising to themselves. Now, Gisele Pelicot has, as I said, become a symbol across France, and many people have come out onto the streets. And she explained today that the reason that she waived her anonymity and allowed really distressing videos of some of the attacks to be shown in open court is because she wanted this conversation about rape and drugs being used to rape, to attack people, to be in the public domain. She said, I want all victims of rape to say, well, if Madame Pelicot can do it, we can do it. And she went on to say, when someone is raped, they are often ashamed, but it's not for us to be ashamed, but for those men. Now, this case is expected to continue until at least Christmas.